How to make first row. Lay your yarn flat on a table or stable surface. Cross the yarn tail over the top of the working yarn to form a loop. Hold the right side of the loop, flip the entire loop over, and lay it on top of the working yarn. Pull the working yarn through the center of the flipped loop. Gently tug the yarn tail to tighten the loop and form a secure slip knot. Put your hook into the loop of the finished slip knot. Pull the working yarn gently to tighten the loop so it fits snugly on your hook's shaft. Your slip knot is complete. With your slip knot secured on your hook, yarn over with the working yarn. Pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. Your first chain stitch is complete. One loop remains on your hook. Work the number of chain stitches specified in your pattern. Foundation chain is complete. We will now work stitches into the foundation chain. In this demonstration, we will be working single crochet. You will skip the first chain stitch to create the proper stitch height. Insert your hook under the back loop of the second chain stitch. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the chain stitch to pull up a new loop. 2 loops now remain on your hook. Yarn over again, pull the yarn through both 2 loops on your hook. Your first single crochet stitch is complete. Work the number of stitches specified in your pattern. The last stitch. Your first row is complete. Never work a stitch into the slip knot.